In order to adjust permissions on POCO F7, first of all, we need to open settings. In settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then we're gonna go to privacy protection. Over here, as you can see, we have permissions, some example permissions, but we can also tap on all permissions in order to find the list of all permissions that we have on this phone. Now we're gonna choose the permission. So let's say I'm gonna choose location. And after that, I can see which apps are allowed to use location, whether it is all the time, only when apps are in use, or also apps that are not allowed to use location. So if you want to change that, you can choose the app for which you want to manage permission, and then you can choose whether the permission should be granted or not. Besides that, you can also go to apps below over here, and then you should be able to just simply select whichever app you want to manage in terms of permissions. So let's say I'm gonna choose the camera, and then here you should be able to find app permissions. So this is like adjusting permissions as well, but from the other way around. First we choose the app and then we manage permissions. And the rest is the same. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.